Hi, I'm Barbara Lynch and I'm with Griffin Service. And with all the gloom and doom out there with COVID-19, we thought it would be kind of neat to do something lighthearted and fun, especially for our families. So gather around your children and we're going to read a children's book. This is one that I've written in 2009. So if you have a favorite children's book, let me know the title and we'll get it read. We're going to try to do this every Sunday. So The Lion's Valentine. Leo the lion, he lived with his mom and his younger brother Matthew. There were lots of things that Leo loved. He loved chocolate ice cream with nuts. He loved surfing. He loved playing his bass guitar. But there was one thing that was his favorite thing, and that was Valentine's Day. Every new school year, Leo would introduce himself to all of the new kids in his class and his teacher, and he would start right away. Start what, you ask? He started making personal Valentine's Day cards for his classmates, his teacher, and his bus driver. The days were drawing near to the big day, and Leo was extra excited. He had worked for months giving on each card, and he loved giving out the cards and waiting for people to read them because he personalized them, made them very special. 2 days before Valentine's Day, he wasn't feeling really good, and he went out to the kitchen for breakfast, and his mother looked at him, and he had red marks all over his face and his neck, and his mom said, "We got to call the doctor." Sadly, the doctor told him he had chicken pox and he had to stay home for at least 2 weeks. Oh no, he was going to miss Valentine's Day. He was so sad. All he could do was sit and just stare at the pile of personalized Valentine's Day cards that he created. Oh boy, all of a sudden, one day, there was a knock on the door. He couldn't believe it. It was his teacher and some of the kids from school, and they had Valentine's Day cards for him. He couldn't believe it. How could they be in his house? He was contagious. Turns out these kids had chicken pox, and they were okay to be around him. And the teacher said, "Leo, we decided that when you're better, we're going to have a second Valentine's Day." And Leo thought, wow, 2 Valentine's Day in 1 year? That's awesome. Mama yelled, "How would anybody like some ice cream?" And everybody said yes, and all yelled together, "Happy Valentine's Day." It's our hope that you have a great day. It's our hope that you liked the story. And again, send us in your favorite book title and I'll get the book and we'll read it together on Sundays. Barbara with Griffin Service. Boom.